Okay guys, so today we're going to be talking about securing profits and building your account. Now this is probably one of the most important videos, if not the most important video, because especially if you're using the News Blaster EA, you know that it shows you a lot of money at times, and it is up to you to close those profits at the end of the day. To click the close all button that we provide for you with the bot. Since it's so fast and takes a lot of trades, sometimes like your brain is kind of frozen in the markets and it's kind of deciding, well, should I hold? Should I take profits? Maybe it might go up, and then when it retraces, you lose a lot of money. Now, especially when you're using a news blaster, understand that the retracements, just even on a 1 minute candle, you could be losing, depending on what lot size you're using, you could be losing hundreds of dollars just with one pullback on the 1 minute candle. Those candles could be large. So understand that even though when you see the profits on the news blaster, when you test the demo, yes, it can secure you lots of profits with the trailing stop and everything, but you need to have a daily goal. You have to have a daily goal, and that's how you really sustain your account and flip your account. Because if you look in the back test, sometimes you can secure 4,000 without even looking, but really your gross profit was more like 25,000. That's the money that you didn't close, that you let go back into the market, but you've seen it. So why are we on ChatGPT? Because I use ChatGPT to come up with my trading plan. So I don't know if you guys see my YouTube video where I flipped 1,700 into 4,000 in one day. I had a trading plan with that. Even though I ended up hitting that goal very early, I still had a trading plan. And my trading plan was to do what was that? 500% gains in 20 days. I used ChatGPT for that. Okay, but let's just say you want to flip an account, right? Let's ask ChatGPT, right? Let's say we're starting with $2,000, right? So I would say actually build me a compound plan starting with $2,000. It's just an example. Trading $20 days a month. And 20 days because there's 20 trading days, right, in a month, right? So 20 trading days a month. Making, I don't know, whatever you want to make, 100% gains at the end of the month. You could do 100%. You can even really go for something like 300%, honestly. 300% gains at the end of the month. Show me daily profits. And weekly profits. And we just asked ChatGPT to make that for us. Okay, so as you guys can see, to construct a compound plan for your trading scenario, $2,000 starting capital, 20 trading days. Our gain is 300%. That's what we're going for. Compound profits daily. All right, so this is it. And then actually, I gotta ask him a whole nother question. I gotta say, show complete plan. All right, so now it says, here's the complete plan. So now you have it, right? This is your daily goal. So you're only going for 7.18% a day. So now you have your number, you have your daily profits, and now that you have your number and your goal, it's up to you to stay true to that goal, because you know that these bots can show you that every single day. But it's about just learning when to stop trading and, just being happy with the profits, being happy that you reached your goal for the day. So week one, you should make $828. If you end up making $828 in 2 days, then stop trading for the week. Same thing for week two. If you end up making $1,200, in the first day, then stop trading for the week, because the markets will try to take it back from you. And this way, you make $6,000 for the month, $6,000 monthly, just following this trading plan. So let's think about these numbers, right? Let's see if we can see anywhere from $140 to $535 on a daily using the News Blaster. Okay. It's a $2,000 account as well on the demo. Alright, you guys see, we're well past our thing. We're well past our daily profit goal. Well past it. Well past it. We have the trailing stop here as well. And guys, at any moment, you could close all profits. You don't have to see the end of this whole trend. You really don't have to see the end of the whole trend. I think that's like something I'm still battling as well. Like trying to see it to the end. You don't have to. You already seen enough money. Okay, so here we've seen $3,000 something dollars. Oh no, excuse me. Yeah, we've seen like 3,000 something, and it closed with the trailing stop hit. Another one. Boom. We hit our daily goal. We can close all. We can close all now. We hit our daily goal. We don't have to see through this whole trend. Okay, that's 2 days of us hitting our goal. We only have to hit our goal for 20 days straight to see $6,000. So again, if you decide to hold, congratulations. But if you don't, if you're going to be the disciplined trader, trust me, you're going to have your funds. You're going to secure your profits every single day easy. Okay? Because look, today we took a loss. Today we took a loss. And now boom, we're hitting our goals again. Close profits. Again, close profits. We're hitting our goals. We're hitting our goal. We're hitting our goal. Close the damn profits. Close the profits. Close the profits. Close the profits. We hit our goal. Close the profits. Close the profits. We hit our goal. See, look, and now the market took it back because it wanted to go back up. Another one. Close profits. This is during New York Open. Close profits. Close profits. You don't have to see it towards the whole thing, because if we were to close profits this whole time, we definitely would have way more than $10,000. So close all, close all, close all. My specific settings, I have the trailing stop where it's kind of far, so it has room to, pull back if it wants to. But honestly, all you gotta do is close profits. This is well past how much you need daily. Well past it. And honestly, we've already done made more than 300% gains for the month just with here. So honestly, you could have stopped trading for the whole month and been fine, because now it's taken away from your profits when you don't close. Okay, look, another $1,000. Just close all. Close all. We would be at 15, 20,000 by now, right? But even if you didn't hold for some of these trades, closing all, just know that you would be on your way to 10,000 anyways, because you have the money. It's showing you the money. Again, more than $500. Close it. Close it. We don't have to see the whole trend end. Even though it's going crazy and you may look back and you might be like, ah, shit, I missed out. So what? You did what you had to do. Because now you're seeing that it is taking away from your profits. Even though we're still profitable for the week and the month, it just took away like $5,000 because it wants to go up and down. It wants to consolidate. It wants to, get in buyers and finesse them and take. Look, it wants to do the same thing, buy and dive down. And this is cool, right? Because you could be closing money throughout all this. Throughout all this, you could be closing money as soon as you see it. So I want you guys to just know that's what the News Blaster is for you to close your profits. Especially if you're using a lot size that's bigger than you should be using. Like right here, I think I'm using a 0.20 on US 30. That's just so I could make a lot of money with the small account. But you guys see, man, it's showing you thousands of dollars. Thousands. And look at the month ending. It's probably going to end with a lot less than we just had. We're still profitable for the month. We turned $2,000 to $3,088, which is great, but it's not the 300% returns that we were looking for, right? So I just wanted to just show you guys that like this is all you have to do. Just focus on making that money daily. Another day, another $500. Close. You are well past your goal. We'd be back at 4,000 right now if we closed. Look how this market takes your money. Look how this market takes your money, man. And reason being is because not every day is going to be a trending market. Not every day US 30 or whatever you're trading is going to fly to the moon or tank all the way to the bottom. It's not like that every day. So some days you just have to take your money. During this whole month of November, US 30 wasn't even trending. It's been, dropping up and down, up and down. So not every month is going to be a trending month. Not every week is going to be a trending month. And not every day is going to be a trending day. So just understand that. Again, it's showing you the money. It's up to you to take it. And now instead of ending, let's say, we were well over 300% returns, now we're probably could end break even. We're still up 3,000 right now. But we were well better off just closing trades ourselves. Just clicking the close all or using the bulk close all button. Whatever you do, just close all. Close all, close all, close all. I'm also going to show you guys how to, manage the bot from your phones so that you guys can close all from anywhere. Because I understand sometimes, it gets crazy very fast. But yeah, guys, this is the type of month that US 30 gave you. It didn't really trend up the whole time. It just kind of went up and down the whole time. So yeah, you're going to see at the end of this simulation. Look at this. It says 1,300 in profit. We didn't close. And really I'm breaking even right now because my trailing stop is pretty far just for this simulation, so I can show you guys how important it is to actually close out trades. We're still positive for the month regardless of even doing anything. Look, another chance. It's giving you another chance to close. And do you guys know how much money you would have made just closing all? you probably would be at 40 racks right now, just using the close all button. Another big news event, look, it's tanking. Another 1,200, 1,300 shown, 2,000 shown. At what point do you decide I'm going to close? At what point? Because what I've gone to notice is the money is not in the big trading day. It can be, but the money is in staying consistent with your goals. After you have that big trading day, what do? Do you look for another big trading day? Or do you just look for your goals? Because when you look for another big trading day, and another big trading day, and another big trading day, that's when you start losing the money that the market is showing you. Because you're expecting another big trading day. And this is something that I still myself battle with, trying to think, oh well, the market wants to bless me today. Maybe it's my day. You know, some days it isn't, some days it is. And what works the best is staying consistent, and then knowing that you stay consistent for all these days, and being able to see your profits and withdraw at the end of the month. Even in a simulation where I haven't done anything, I haven't simulated, I haven't took profits, or the trailing stop is pretty far, we still made over $1,000 on this account. So that just shows you how powerful this bot is, and I'm just giving you guys advice on how you should use it. So yeah, guys, let's go back to the plan. So when you see that simulation, how many times did we see us over this amount, right? $140 to $500. Almost every day we've seen that. I would say every day we've seen that. Every day. With that 0.20 lot, we've seen 143. We've seen 500, 300. Even if you want to split it up between trades, you don't got to hold the whole thing. You could just close out, 200 here, right? If it wants to give you more money, close out another 200. Or you could just stop. You could just stay true to what you said you were going to do. $143. Either way, you're going to eat. That's the whole point of this. That's the whole point of this. Okay, guys, so I hope that you guys take this video seriously. And again, good luck trading, guys.